All right, we've got a vocabulary word coming back again for another turn. We saw kinetic before. That meant something sliding. It was dealing with types of friction. Here, kinetic energy means the energy of something that's moving. So, doesn't really matter how it's moving. In this case, it could be sliding, could be flying through the air, could be falling, whatever. Kinetic energy is just the energy of motion. And so that formula KE for kinetic energy is 1/2 mass times velocity squared. We're going to see several formulas that fit this basic format. 1/2 something something squared usually means that it comes from calculus and some formula that's been solved to give us the right information. Here, we have exactly what we need. We've got mass, which hopefully you're learning to recognize by the units, and we've got a velocity over here. Keep in mind, acceleration will be meters per second squared. So these simpler time units mean that this is a velocity. So we start plugging stuff in. 1/2 is just 1/2. It's part of, again, the calculus definition behind this. 19.31 kilograms, and then 8.31 meters per second. Oops, that get squared. So it's not squared yet. Can I raise? Oh, too much. That's okay. All right, so if we look at these units, we're going to have meters squared and seconds squared from the end. And so if we separate those, the meters, regular meters and seconds squared, combine with kilograms to make newtons, and then multiplying by the extra meters on the end gives us our definition for joules. So a little bit ugly. We're going to see this over and over again. The units are unfortunately just people's names from a long time ago, and they don't really give us any clues as to what's going on. But at least thankfully on this one we can confirm that it's going in the right direction. For the rest of it, we just have to plug it in the calculator and see what it turns into. So, 0.5 times that number times this number. To avoid some calculator issues, it may be worth it to do, 0.5 times 19.31 times 8.31 times 8.31 to just multiply it twice. But that's up to you and your personal preference. So multiplying, we get 666.74 and joules.